Okay, third set. I guess there's going to be 5 problems again. Now, granted, you may look at these and say, which one am I going to do first? I'm going to say they look somewhat challenging. Number 2, you could really do it by a thuggish technique, but we're kind of looking for a more elegant approach to the problem. And number 3, it looks pretty difficult. I found this one to be difficult, but it is multiple choice. Number 4, I'm going to say, I don't know, it doesn't look that bad, but it takes some time and effort. One thing I notice immediately off the top of my head, though, is that 1 to the x is always going to be the number 1. So maybe you could simplify a little bit before we proceed forward. Partial fractions, that's a 14th degree polynomial on bottom. If you did this by the techniques you were taught in pre-calculus, you might have a tough time with the problem, all right? But anyway, what do? I provide both video solution and in the blue area, me typing it up, by the way, all right? Typically, the way I do things first is I don't type them up first. I do paper and pencil, or possibly even on a video, by the way, but paper and pencil, and then I type it up, all right? I try to make it look neater than that chicken scratch at the board, by the way. You should aim for that as well, all right? But I go through each problem separately, all right? Number 2 really wasn't that bad. I read the work up for you. Number 3, I found to be a challenging problem. I found it so challenging, in fact, that I went to the Sage forum and I posted a question about it. And if you want to, you can look at that as well, all right? Sage forums or any forums where people are discussing mathematics are an interesting place to go because there's a lot of people out there willing to share what they know about problems with other people, all right? They're quite an open community, by the way. All right, number 4, again, video on the side, and I work through the problem for you, all right? Number 5, partial fraction decomposition, and I work through that as well. I do write down the thuggish approach to it, but also the more elegant approach to the problem, all right? And again, you may say, I have a better way of doing things. We would love to see that. We really would, all right? And that's about it. Thank you.